that this is the items, and this is the table locator. There are 8 pieces in the original package, and this is the cable. There are 15 meters cable in the package. So, but if you needed the other longer cables, you can contact us. We will check the best price for you. And this is the cable lipper. This is table locator, and you need to install it under the table. And this is the cables. You need to cut it based on this. The cable is 15 meters, and you can cut it based on this. You need to connect the black cable with the table locator. This is the red color. You need to connect the cable with the table locator. The red color cable with the black color. You can use the cable clip to fix the cable under the table. And you can see that there is double side tips on the clip. So you can open the for the cable clip. You can use it based on this. And this is the double-sided tips. You can fix it on the table locator, double side. Yeah. And the other side to fix it under the table. This is the pages. There are 8 pages in the original package. If you need more, you can contact us. I will cover now. And you can see that there is a red light in the pages. You can see that. It means that we have power now, and this is the turn base. For the pages, the standby time is very long. It can be for 6 days. You can give the pager to the customers. So when the pagers come in a restaurant, they just need to find the table and put the